I'm gonna show you guys how to make EDM. Alright, let's get started. Let's go on the let's show you this. That's my intro. So first I put ambience, effects, it's all my effects, down lifter, block, the reverb block, crash, and exhaust. That's my effects. And I use block. It's pretty simple. That's my block melody. I use G minor for progressive house genre. Not too bad. Then I put harp. Here, just the chords, basic chords. And these are chords. And then the bass line. That's my bass line right here. There's a bass line. Simple rhythm. Then I layer with four layers. And I just use EQ. I just EQ them. And I put all the four layers into the bassline bus. I call it bus. So I just do this. Control, then highlights, then right click, route to destruct. That's it. I use EQ and stuff. And then I use the kicks. There. My drums right here. Not too bad. So let's hear it. first round right there. It's pretty much same thing, copy and paste. I use same thing, ambience, the effects, it's all same thing. Reverse, synth. Use this effects, pretty nice. Then where's my block? Where's my block? There. I put string now. There. It's my string. Same thing, chords. Simple, basic chords. Then I use sub bass. It's a sub bass. I use this preset. I don't want to use the serum and or silent for sub bass. Save CPU. It's basic right here. Then I use automations for them. And then I use kicks and rides.
I want you out to myself.
Right, same thing. And then let's go to pad. Same thing, ambience, block. And let's go to build up. I use sweep down, down lifter, exhaust, riser. I use 2 riser, impact, crash, and long uplifter. I use 2 and sub drop. Then on lead, I use this. Same thing. I have 2, 4, 6, 8. I get 8 layers. I use string and super saw. Super saw. I put 2 super saw. No, actually 3. put everything to here. That's the lead, and then the block. Same thing. Chords, pad, string, automation clip. Then I use stereo imager for automation. Then endless smile and fruity balance for the volumes. Then I use snares. And it's pretty nice. I use automation clip. I use the channel pitch on these two right here. And then on the drop, and this short fill, impact, and sub drop. Let's go to drop. Sweep down, exhaust, impact. I use white noise, drop noise, and the crowd. And then I put some bass on the drop. This thing right here. I put 4. That is sound like that. It's pretty nice. Sounds nice. I like some bass on my drop. I put 2. Same thing. I put the chords, so I just use the chords. Same thing. But I use here. I use this too. I layer it. It's the chords. I use silent super saw. Then silent unisaw lead for my drop. Sub bass, and here's the fills. I delay this effects, the lead, chords, bass line, sub bass. I delay it. Sub drop, snares, short fills. And for my drums, clap kick, kicks, drop clap, put crash. And rides. These two is rides. Then put shaker. same thing on the other build up, but I add one more shaker, hi-hat, loops, and tom, and that's it, guys. That's how you make EDM. Let's play it from the beginning. It's pretty easy.
I want you all to myself. In my bed, my bed, my bed. I want you all to myself. In my bed, my bed, my bed.
The CPU. Alright guys, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.